Welcome to King Richard's Food and Drink Reviews. A coworker brought me in a squid seafood snack to try. I'm on my break right now, so we'll give her a try. Squid seafood snack from Thailand. Give me a moment while I get it open. There, I got it open. They're little wafers. They're all stuck together. See if I can peel it off. Oh, I broke a piece off. Let's give it a taste. Oh, it's dang spicy. Woo-wee! Spicy! Maybe it's strictly made for the Thailand people. I'm almost crying. Got myself a Canadian Gatorade fruit punch to give it a wash down. Fruit punch gets a 10 out of 10. Gatorade, always a good go-to. Try some more of this squid seafood snack. Bit of a seafood taste. Very spicy, like I said, though. A little chewy, a little crunchy. The Bento Squid Seafood Snack gets a 9.5 out of 10 for being a foreign food. It is pretty tasty. Thanks for watching, and remember to like the video, follow me. I'm on YouTube as well now. I have over 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. King Richard's Food and Drink Reviews, or at King Richard Reviews. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. And don't forget to tell me what kind of food I should try next, or what restaurant. Thank you.